in the first prophase, this is what we see. The central is divided and they are now migrated to the opposite end of the cell, forming speedofiber. Forming speedofiber. Then the chromatins are now shortened and thickened and can be seen as double chromatids. Another interesting thing about them is that the homologous pairs will tend to realign like this, the homologous pair. They tend to come together. In the process of doing this, there is going to be a lot of connecting to one another, joining one another. So, these are the things that happen during the first prophase. Let's get them one by one. One, the chromatins become shortened and thickened, become visible. Two, the central become double, each moving apart to the opposite polar ends of the cell. Speedofibers are formed, apparently directing